This is just for my students, people who are on
1 minute is over and S-Robot enabled.
I just finished the trading section, right? This is one of the trades that was done by the robot, okay? Just 3 trades, that's all. Now, this is first one, 25x. It just made $3 because it's or $5. It just made $5. Started from $100 and it has made $5 with $20 just doing 3 trades. Okay, now let me show you the trades. Now, because recording affects the robot, that's why I cannot record very well when the robot is trading. Okay, you can see this last one that was $9.
1 minute is over and S-Robot enabled.
Me. It was $100 trade, but all these $20 were all done by the robot. You are still hearing the robot on the background. So this is last trade. This is the second trade. You can see 25 index. This first one is 100 index, and then this last one is 75 index. It traded 3 indices. Now it has made 25%. It has done its job for the day, so it can close. I can come over here and shut the robot down. It is done for the day, and you can see the signal the robot was trading. For you to understand, see the signals it traded. It traded 75, 146, 150, 205. Okay, 146, 150, 205. So let's go and check. Okay, let's go and check the time. Look at this, 046. This is 046. That's the robot, first one. Okay, this one is 50. You can see that's 50. Okay, this one is 05. You can see it's 05. So that's the S-Robot trading. Now, the S-Robot is not a bot, it's a robot. It's just like me doing the trades for you. That's just exactly what the S-Robot is. You don't have to do anything other than to monitor. You can see the time I'm trading, I think about 2 a.m. I'm busy doing some project work and cleaning. So the robot has made me $5. With how much? $20. That's how easy it is. But is he every day is going to be making profits? No. There are days he's going to encounter losses. But you see, the profits are going to take care of the losses. And the robot has specific instruction how to trade. So you don't have to worry about quitting, stopping, unnecessary thing. But if you trade and you follow 3 trades per day, the possibility of losing are very minimal. All right. So God bless you, and I'll see you on the inside. Hey, I'm on break in this year of 2021 from now till February. So if you don't know, you get to know. If you're trying to reach me, only send SMS. God bless you. Have a nice day.